Magandang hapon po ng Wednesday, February 14, 2024 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. result ngayong hapon ng Wednesday, February 14, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. result ngayong hapon ng February 14, 2024 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Wednesday, February 14, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 40 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 jackpot price estimates is 55 million pesos for February 14, 2024, Wednesday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Wednesday, February 14, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.